So excited, I can't hide it. I'm gonna lose control and I just can't hide it. Woo-hoo.
So excited, woo-wee, and I just can't hide it. Woo-wee.
Got off the taxi. I'm at my first port of station. Station port. Oh, I'm at the first station, so waiting for the London train now. Well, this is actually the main line to London. There you go. That's the main line to London, but I got to go into Cardiff first. So got to catch the Cardiff first. Well, I'm going that way, down that way. So patiently waiting for the train. I've got about a quarter of an hour. Arrived safe in London, so I'm in my room. I've got a lovely double bed, some air conditioning, a telly, got my cup of tea. That's all I want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk up towards Paddington Station. I'm going to get myself something to eat tonight, and maybe something to drink. I might have a glass of wine or something, I don't know. And I'm definitely going to pick up some water though, because I've only got one bottle left. So I'll video a little bit of that, and hopefully we'll meet Jason later. So I'm currently on the lookout for a McDonald's. It's up here somewhere. I'm not sure how far though. I found a KFC, and I've also found a McDonald's. There's Costa Coffee there. There's a McDonald's. I'll go and get myself a milkshake before I meet Jason. Let's go for it. So we paint away the stress of everyday life here in Wales, but not necessarily with watercolours. Because I'm sitting here in Hyde Park with Jason, as you can see. I say hello, Jason.
Hello, Jason.
And we're trying to paint this view ahead of us. Well, one of us is doing a fantastic job. The other one is starting to get a little bit stressed, as you can see, but the steam is coming out of my ears. So yes, Jason is teaching me watercolours. Really enjoy myself, I must say. Oh dear, I think a bird has just flown over my paperwork. Look at the mess of that. Well, I'm trying to paint that. But it is that, but it's not necessarily in that order. Anyway, I'm going to continue and try this and see how I get on. So Jason said I've got to make it look dark and mix mud. So that's what I'm going to try and do. The master knows best. It's going.
Green necks, ring necks.
Oh yeah,
Parrots.
parrots.
Ring neck.
So we're currently walking through Hyde Park. So our first night, and it's a lovely evening. There's loads of people out here, and you can get a lovely bit of sun glare if you try really hard. So Jason and I doing a bit of sketching, painting. He's teaching me watercolours, as I mentioned earlier. So it's going to take me a while, but I'll get there. It's a bit nippy tonight. I got my jacket on. But other than that, what a lovely sight. So what a fantastic first day we have actually had in London, Jason. And we met for the second only time we've actually talked personally together, and it's been a fantastic day. Well, all I can say is, well, I'm having a nice cup of wine. It is, look, it's wine. Oh, a strong tea, my darling. That's what I say to the wife. It's strong tea. No, I've got no glasses, so I'm having a nice sip of wine. Just to get me to sleep. So we've got a very busy day tomorrow. We're going to be going to the British Museum and a paint shop which make traditional paints, and they've got all the pigments there. I can't wait. Got to watch the wallet. I don't want to buy too much. So we've done a bit of drawing this evening. I'll just show you that very quickly. Okay, so let's have a look at the drawing. Let's just move my brushes away. I've got to talk quite softly because I don't want to wake the neighbours up. So this is don't worry about that. Oh, don't worry about that either. There we go. These are just the preliminary painting sketches that I've managed to do today. They don't look much, well, they don't look much to me. There's our bloke that was just standing in my way. Just playing around. Jason kept saying, "Go dark, go dark, go dark." He reckons that's too light, and it goes against my principles as an acrylic artist. And again, this is too dark for me, but I understand where he's coming from, because looking at his paintings, and he's working in watercolours and gouache, and it's a totally different concept to what I'm used to, and it's a good way to actually try and challenge yourself. It really is. So we've also tried to play around with a couple of drawings tonight, because I want to learn how to do characters of people. I'm not the best person with portraits, but we started with emojis. See, it's all emotional emojis that we worked from. It's quite fun, actually. It was quite fun to do. That brings me on to a couple of characters that I actually drew with Jason. I'll just show you quickly. They're not that good, but it's a bit of fun. Don't ever put yourself down and say you're not good enough, because look at this. There you go. That's just my practice drawings, and it looks a bit like Tom Jones, that one. But a bit of fun, So never say never. Now I'm going to lie back down and finish my glass of wine. It is now 11:45, and I've got to get up at 8 o'clock in the morning to get showered and shaved, and we're going to go down for breakfast, and we've got a long day planned tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with a few sections of the painting that I've been doing today, working off photographs. Don't tell Jason I like working off photographs. I find it very difficult working outdoors. I don't like people watching me paint. I know that sounds stupid because I got a camera on me, but I get very nervous when people are watching me paint. I don't like people looking over my shoulders and testing me, and I feel as if I've got to prove something. So I've come back to the room after Jason's gone to his bed, and I painted for about an hour, and I put all the base layers in, ready for completion. I'm going to show Jason tomorrow, see what he thinks. So I'll leave that with you, and I'll going away. I'm night.